Hey, hi everyone. My name is Aditya. You're watching Aditya Flutes. I'm a flute teacher, and today we are going to discuss about why people very quickly give up on playing flute. I've been teaching from past 9 months from now, and there are like different reasons that are involved with different persons. But what I have realized was there are like main three reasons why people give up on flute. Dear friends, I'll say you something. It's very easy to start something. It's very easy that we get excited and motivated to learn something and to do it. But to nurture it, to be consistent with it, to every day track the progress of it, it takes little effort and little discipline. Friends, it's not just flute. Anything, anything, anything can only grow with time and process, not with buying. In the sense, you can buy flute for 1,000 rupees or for 500 rupees, but you cannot play. Sorry, you cannot buy the art of playing flute. You cannot buy it. It should happen within you. You need to nurture it every single day. It cannot happen with buying process, right? It's not a commodity. It's the wisdom that you are trying to get acquainted with. So here we need to right now be very clear about few things. In the sense, when you want to grow with something, or when you want to nurture something, there are few things that we need to keep in our mind, because there are many people who get interested to learn flute, but to continue it no matter what, I see very less people. But friends, it's not very difficult to continue. Believe me, it's not very difficult to continue. I was a guy before. I used to start many things, I used to do many things, but I never grew with many things. That is the reason I left many things in between. But what I realized was that I need to keep all my energies focused, and I want to grow with it. That is the reason every single day, at least like couple of hours or 3 hours, I dedicate my time to flute, to teach, to play, and to heal. That's my story. Keeping my story ahead aside, let's talk about you. In this 9 months, I realized there are three major reasons why people give up on flute. The first and foremost reason is lack of patience. I mean, I've seen students getting restless so quickly, getting irritated so quickly. How can that happen? How can that happen with restlessness and with irritation? It can never happen. Restlessness and irritation are part of your flute learning process. You need to have patience. If you don't have patience, there is no matter. You cannot learn. You cannot learn. How can you learn? So that is the reason. Bring all your patience at one place and just be with it. Trust in time. Trust in your efforts, and just wait and see what melodies will show up in a course of time. Before 4 years, when I started playing flute, I'll show you how I used to play flute. Sound used to not come. I used to not understand what's happening. I was with it, I was with it, I was with it, no matter what, and see now what is the result. Can I also say you one thing? I even don't know how to play sarigama, but still I can play flute. That's what it is. Guys, we are most of the people, because of our you know restlessness, we seek a convenience where we believe that flute playing is difficult. No, it's not difficult. It's in our minds how we like see it. That's all. Okay, you need to have patience. Just be patient. Patience, have patience, and practice. Find some techniques and keep playing it, and see, after some years or some months you will get the progress. Okay, patience. The second reason is lack of guidance. Lack of guidance. See, friends, every time people will not be with us to guide us, to say what to do and what not to do. Sometimes you might also not meet good master. Sometimes you might also not know how to practice. There will be many reasons which will be in front of you, but you need to always know that you need to find a reason to continue but not to give up. Okay, many people look for masters. Many people look for guidance. It's not bad, but what I am saying is, if you are not getting your master, if you are not getting guidance, you can be your master. You can guide yourself. God has given that gift for you to guide yourself through observation. Through observation, simple observation, nothing else. And you don't need anyone's guidance. If you believe that, you will receive guidance from God. Yeah, I haven't gone to any master nor watched any YouTube tutorials to learn flute, but I have learned from Krishna. I have learned from Sai Baba. I mean, that's how I learned, sitting in temples, practicing, sitting in one place, practicing. That's how it came to me. And now I'm able to teach to others, how to play flute. That's my journey. You guide yourself, you guide yourself, and you see what it takes for you to discover things on your own. There is a beauty that you have, you know? You need to bring it out in terms of guiding yourself, motivating yourself, being with yourself, and just finding ways. Even if you play like this, how beautiful it would be. It would be so beautiful if you learn flute. All you need is whatever I am saying. And yeah, you can also, it's not just my words, okay? You also have your own way of thinking to derive your own way of looking at flute, okay? And the third thing, the third thing, the third reason why people give up on flute is lack of technique and methods. Dear friends, the moment I want to play flute, why are all are people looking for a technique or a method or a genre? Of course, techniques, methods, and genres, they have their own beauty, but you can create your own technique, your own method, and your own genre and your own music all together. You have to believe me. You have to believe me, because I am a live example. I haven't practiced with any technique nor any kind of method. I know I have some music essence. We all have some music essence. It's not just I just have it. We all have. Whoever is watching right now, even you have that. You just need to bring it out. And one more thing I would like to say, just because this video is for free and you're watching it for free, don't take this information for granted. I mean, you are paying your, time, you're paying your energy, you're paying your money to watch this video. Even this has some significance. And I'm making this video only to people who really want it. There might be many people who skip this and who don't even care about this video, but it's really okay. All this effort, all this, you know concern and interest is for people who are really facing some struggles to play flute. So that is what it is, people. Why people give up on flute, I have realized three major reasons. One is lack of patience, lack of guidance, and lack of technique and methods. That's all. If you can just look at these three aspects, your flute journey will be so soothful. Yeah. And you have no idea where you will end up. Yeah. Playing flute and learning a musical instrument alters your state of being. Really. Okay. So that's what I can say. And right now I'm at Goa, India. Very nice place. So just going on. Hope you're good. Okay. So we'll meet again with some other topic. Bye. And one more thing, I would like to say that uh, whoever wants to learn flute, Aditya Flutes also offers flute education. You can call us on the given number, and we will tell you the course details, morning batch and evening batch, and individual classes and offline classes at Goa. Right now I am in Goa. Offline classes are also we are taking. So anyone whoever is interested to learn with us, they are most welcome. And what we will teach you is basics. Basics. If you are a beginner, we will guide you to create a basic foundation, and we will teach you some basics, and we will be there with your flute journey. Okay. So guys, bye. See you again.